Hello everyone, my name is Vikal Jain and today I am going to tell you what is grouping and ungrouping in Excel. So, what is the advantage of grouping and ungrouping in Excel? If we want to see the division report based on the total, then we can hide these columns. But grouping will give us advantage to present more precisely. How can we do that? So, if we want to group only these columns, so we need to select only these columns, not the total. Now go to data tab, and at the end here we have group. Now if we will group, it will ask two options. So first is row and second is column. So we are grouping through column, so I am clicking on column. So a line will create like this. I need to collapse this, click on this symbol. Now this is the report we can present to our boss. So if we are sitting in a meeting and if we want to show the division wise report, we can click on expand, so it will see like this, and we can ungroup this report also. How we can do that? Just select this column once again and ungroup columns. Okay, now back to normal. So this is the group and ungroup in Excel. So keep enjoying and keep learning.